In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Bitcoin wallet address using Trust Wallet. Welcome to your 2025 step-by-step guide. Having your own self-custody wallet is the most secure way to hold your crypto, and today we'll focus on Trust Wallet, a secure multi-chain option available as a browser extension. Let's begin by getting the official extension. It's crucial to navigate to the Trust Wallet website at trustwallet.com and click on the Download Extension button. Avoid searching directly in any app store to prevent inadvertently downloading a fake extension. You'll be redirected to the correct App Store page where you'll need to click the Add to Chrome or Download Extension button. During this process, a pop-up will appear listing the permissions required by the extension. This is a standard procedure for any wallet. Simply click Add Extension to move forward. After installation, you should notice a new tab opens, or you can also click on the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's extension bar to kick off the setup. Now that you have the extension, the next step is to create your wallet. When prompted, you'll be asked if you already have a wallet or need to create a new one. Since we're setting up a new address today, you'll want to select Create New Wallet. It's important to check the box to affirm you've read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy before clicking Create New Wallet. The following step is securing your wallet. You'll see options to choose a security method, and for this guide, we'll go with the password option. However, it's worth noting that if your computer is compatible with it, you can opt for biometric security, such as Windows Hello. Once you choose, enter a strong password, at least 8 characters in length, and then confirm it. Keep in mind that this password is specifically for accessing your wallet through this browser and is not your main recovery key. Then click Continue. Backing up your secret recovery phrase is the most crucial step. The wallet will provide a sequence of 12 or 24 words known as your secret recovery phrase or seed phrase. This is the key to your Bitcoin and all your other crypto, so it's vital to write these words down on paper in the exact order given. Ensure it is stored offline securely. Never take a screenshot, store it digitally, or share it with anyone. This phrase is your backup if you ever lose access via your password. After noting it down, the wallet will request you to confirm a few words from the phrase to ensure accuracy. Once this confirmation is completed, your wallet setup is finalized. Now that your wallet is created, let's get to your Bitcoin address. In your wallet dashboard, locate and select Bitcoin, BTC. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to search for it using the Add Tokens function. Once on the Bitcoin page, you'll see the Send, Receive, and Buy options, so you'll want to click on Receive. This action will reveal a screen displaying a QR code with a long string of text that represents your Bitcoin wallet address. This unique address is how you receive Bitcoin, so ensure you copy it accurately using the copy button provided. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Bitcoin wallet address. Remember, your keys, your crypto. Keeping your secret recovery phrase safe should always be your top priority. Enjoy your journey in the crypto world.